Good morning.
Hello.
I'm Greta.
And I'm Camille.
And today we're going to be talking about some of our favorite makeup products.
Yeah.
Our go-tos.
So first I'm going to share some recent skincare favorites. For Christmas, my boyfriend gave me a By Terry rose set because I'm obsessed with rose fragrance. Greta hears it all the time. I have so many rose products.
I mainly smell it all the time.
I just love rose. It just seems so fresh, and I don't know some people think it smells like a grandma, but
sometimes I think it smells like a grandma. Just very floral.
Yeah, well, yeah, so I love rose. And in the set was By Terry Baume de Rose face cream, and I've tried the lip gloss before, and if you haven't tried the By Terry Baume de Rose lip gloss, it's like the most luxurious lip gloss I think I've ever tried. Oh, sorry, lip balm and the lip gloss. So this face cream, the By Terry Baume de Rose face cream, is very similar to lip balm. It has so much, it's like rich but doesn't leave your face greasy. It has like a lot of cushion, and it smells incredible, and I love using it mainly at night. Sometimes I'll use it in the morning. It's definitely more rich, but it just feels so luxurious and smells amazing, and I'm obsessed with this product.
She is. I see
Yeah.
her use it all
And
the time.
then one other recent skincare favorite I've seen this so much on Instagram on a lot of beauty bloggers feeds that I follow, and it's the Dr. Jart. I don't know how to pronounce this. Cicapiar?
Cicapiar.
Would you say Cicapiar? Is that what, it's the green
Cicapiar.
Derma green solution. So this one is the Tiger Grass color correcting treatment. I know they have a cream. This is the color correcting treatment. So it's a pale green kind of paste. Not paste, it's not that thick, but that you put on before makeup application, and it neutralizes your skin tone. And I often, when I come in the shower after putting on face products, my face turns really, really red, and I have a lot of like pink and blushy undertones in my skin. So this is amazing at neutralizing your skin tone before makeup application. I've tried other color correcting green products, but they're always really thick, and like you kind of put them in spaces, and then I don't know, it's tricky. This is thinner, and you can put it all over your face, and it creates an amazing base. I've even just put it on, like felt like I don't have to wear any foundation or anything on top, and it felt comfortable wearing this on its own because it really makes your skin tone look amazing.
So one of my favorite beauty products is this Fenty Matchstick in Trippin. So Fenty, as you guys know, is Rihanna's new beauty line, and when it came out we got a few products, and they're all pretty fun, but I love this matchstick. I use it all the time. This one is like a kind of like rosy gold color with sparkles in it, and
It's almost like peachy.
yeah, it's peachy. It's really nice for my complexion. I haven't really ever contoured, like, because I feel like, I don't know, every time I've done it, I kind of feel like I'm wearing too much makeup, or it kind of looks fake. But when I want just like a bit of shape to my face, I put this matchstick like just on my cheekbones or underneath, and it plays nicely as a bit of a contour and also as a blush, which is really nice. So I really like this stick.
Yeah, it looks really...
It goes on nicely, and it spreads nicely too.
And it's not too shimmery. It definitely has some shimmer and picks up light, but it's not.
It doesn't, like, if you
like
like build it, maybe. Like, I've tried it actually using it on my eyes, and it's really pretty. It picks up a lot of nice light. So yeah, that's one of my favorite beauty products because it just is pretty versatile, and it gives off a really nice color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So talking about glitter, there's one product that I've loved recently, and I have mentioned this in a previous video. I did used to work for Bite Beauty, so I'm not biased, but you know, I know a lot about their product, and this is one of my favorite products. No, they just have really great products. So this is one of my favorite products that they launched, I think it was in January, and is the Prismatic Multistick. So they already have the Multistick, which is, you know, it's color that you can wear on eyes, lips, and cheeks, anywhere on your face. They came out with a Prismatic collection, which is just pearl. There's no pigment, they're just pearl. This is my favorite color. It's blush pearl, so it looks white in the bullet, but it goes on as like a rosy, kind of holographic pinky tone. And the thing I love about this product is that I find that there's a lot of glitter products on the market right now, especially Stix, and I find that a lot of the times they're very overly metallic, and sometimes kind of gluey, or like they have a, I'll compare it to a product to explain what I'm talking about. So I bought this over Christmas. It's an e.l.f. like glitter in a tube. And the main difference between these, they actually have a very similar color and pearl, but this one feels a lot like glue and has a very synthetic texture, which is good if you want something that stays in place. It definitely stays in place because it kind of glues onto your skin. But this is just, it just feels a lot better. It feels more luxurious. It doesn't stay put the same way as a synthetic product would, but that doesn't really bother me when you're using a sheer product anyway. And like, I personally don't mind like kind of like smearing my eyes if it starts to crease during the day.
It's really have to stay completely.
The quality of the ingredients versus the staying power, I generally pick quality. And especially when you can wear these in a pretty natural look with just kind of like a hint of glitter.
Yeah, and it's like, even if that wears off, I just always throw it in my bag, and I can also like reapply it throughout the day.
Yeah. So this is the Pat McGrath Labs Bronze Astral Vinyl Gloss, and I don't know if this is a face gloss. It might be a lip gloss. It doesn't say lip, but I've been using it on my eyes and I love it. I'm actually wearing it over an eyeshadow right now. It's definitely sticky, but the pearl in it is really incredible, and I love this.
I like sparkly with a hint of pink. It's very nice. Okay, so my next thing that I'm going to be talking about, it's always good to look good, but it's also good to smell good. So,
true.
I'm going to talk about my favorite perfume, my scent. It's this Diptyque perfume, Dawson? But it's a lilac perfume. Lilac.
Is
Lily of the Valley. Flower percent.
It smells like Lily of the Valley mixed with like, it smells like a garden.
It smells like a garden, but not overly floral. It smells very light and nice.
I don't even know how to explain it.
I don't either.
It's slightly...
It smells like a clean flower. Does that make sense? Like a spa flower. Anyways, this is a perfume I use every day. I love how it smells. I also really love the package. It's really nice. Has nice details. I like the little illustration on it. I got it for Christmas because I was looking for a new scent. I've just been using like my mom's reject perfumes or like samples. So I really wanted a scent, and I really love this. It just feels fresh whenever I put it on.
It's really nice.
And people seem to like it, so that's good.
One random, I say random just because I haven't heard this brand before.
So mean.
Claudio, Riaz, anyone?
Nope.
So I was in Barney's the other week. I was in New York on a trip, and I went to Barney's because I love the makeup floor at Barney's. It's pretty spectacular. And this brand, Claudio Riaz, had some really beautiful eyeshadows, and I couldn't pick. I was like, I'm just getting one. Had
never happens.
6 I wanted. I did. I got one. It is just a really pretty, it probably looks kind of boring right now, peach, but it has a bit of pearl in it. I have it on my eyes right now. Yeah, it's like a little bit sparkly. It's a nice everyday eyeshadow. I'm actually wearing it right now with the Pat McGrath gloss on top. I think we have a peach theme going on. It's kind of similar to the Fenty, a little less...
I love peach.
Peach. Kind of like a pinky peach. A little sparkle.
Pink is our favorite.
It's perfect.
So the next thing I'm going to talk about is I love wearing lipsticks, but lately I've been wearing kind of more neutral, natural lipsticks. Growing up I used to wear a lot of red and purple on my lips, but this is one of my new favorite products. It's by Winky Lux, and it's their Flower Baume in pink. I just love these lipsticks because they just make your lips a really nice pinky natural color, and they are a bit thin because they're just an oil, but sometimes if I want a bit of more substance, I mix it with a chapstick or a gloss, and it just feels really nice. I feel like I have like a nice little pinky tinge, and it's like the prettiest thing. Right? And I know, right? So the last thing I'm going to be talking about is this palette that you guys have probably seen. It's my Uemera palette that I got in Tokyo. It has my name on it. But it has my name on it.
Engraved.
We were there for a long time while they engraved it. This palette, the colors are just really, really fun. It's funny because when I walked in this store, This was just a sample to show what, like, that you could just build your own palette, but I just chose the exact ones that were in the sample palette. Yeah. I'm like, can I just have those? And she was a bit confused, but that's what I got. I just got the brightest colors, and they're just so fun. I use them all the time. It's nice sometimes I just wake up and I'm like, what color haven't I tried? Or like, what color haven't I been wearing? I wear the orange and the pink a lot. But sometimes the yellow. I actually really love Shimmer. I use their brow pencil, and their store in Tokyo was really cool. And yeah, it's just a nice little palette. I use it all the time.
So we hope you enjoyed our favorites.
Yes, I hope it is very insightful to see what we use.
And hopefully we'll be able to get our hands on some other things to try and share more favorites.
Yeah, our favorites are always changing. That's for
Who's
sure.
on?
I know, right?
Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.
And if you like this video, you should subscribe to our channel.
And like, or comment,
Or just, you know, just give us some love.